Welcome back, friends. In today's video, I'm going to be having my boys paint our beehive, and we'll be installing some bees in them. So before we painted our beehives, we got them all scraped and cleaned and sanded, and then we will be ready to paint. Do you like working on the beehives, Sire?
What?
Do you like working on the beehives?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite? Do you like working on the beehives?
I like beehives stinging me.
Yeah, I don't like them stinging me either. So the boys have been begging me to paint these beehives, so we will be painting them with a mold-killing water-based primer here, and then I will be letting my boys paint whatever designs they want to on the beehives. So, do you want to tell us what we have here?
We have a tank truck and a sunflower.
I love it.
Let's repeat that step. Practice if we repeat.
What do we have over here, Thatcher?
Top one.
I know a train.
A crane? And what's this over here?
A train.
Another crane?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. That's beautiful. What do we got here, Dawson?
All right, now let's draw the center.
Yeah, the bee and hive.
Right down the middle.
And we got some stripes. And over here we got some dogs, hot,
We finished
hot
drawing the
and
sunflower.
dot.
And we
And we got
one last thing.
bee and
So we got our hog hive here, and we're gonna let our bees loose here in a second. After you're done watching this video, you should watch our cabin build. It's right over here, right by our beehive. You think they want to be let out, boys?
Yeah.
I think so too. If you're interested in supporting a small business that uses natural products that help nourish the body, you should check out Reed's Bees. Get that special someone something for Mother's Day. I'll have a link in the description to their website.
All right, boys. Should we go back by the cabin?
Yep. Okay, here we go.
Are they coming out?
They will be.
Coming out?
They're coming out. Oh, the queen's right in here.
What, Dad?
The queen's in there.
What?
Let's see if I can get them to go down in there. Take them down in there.
Some are landing on Dad. What? Some are landing on Dad.
Okay, so this should be the queen in here. Let's see if she's in there. So the queen's in this little cage here, and they got a little candy plug that I just uncovered right there. They'll eat that plug out, and then the queen will be released. So let's put her in here. So they're down there trying to free the queen. She's right down there. Got them a little thing of sugar water here to eat before the flowers get taken off. Well, there we go. We got ourselves a beehive. Thanks for watching TrekSquad, and we'll see you in the next one. Later, hog farm.